Hey, did you know that food waste can actually help plant grow better? Today, we're going to talk about biocompost and its main objective for plant growth. What is biocompost? Biocompost is material from natural waste like food scraps, leaf, and plant material. Instead of throwing these things away, we recycle them into compost that become rich, healthy soils. The main objective of biocompost is to improve plant growth naturally. It adds important nutrients to the soil such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plant needs to grow strong roots, healthy leaves, and better fruits or flowers. Biocompost also improves soil structure. This means the soil can hold more water better, get more air, and support plant roots more easily. It helps plants grow faster, stronger, and more resistant to disease without using harmful chemicals. Another important thing of biocompost is protecting the environment. By using natural compost, we reduce waste, lower pollution, and keep soil healthy for future generations.
Some research highlights the important role of biocompost towards plant growth. For instance, in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Research, written by Ana Carolina de Souza Mendes, with the title Solid Biocompost as a Nutrient Source for Family Farming, that study about the importance of goat manure, sawdust, and green waste as nutrient sources for soil and crop in the family farming. The results of this experiment clearly reveal that growth of maximum plant height was significantly influenced by biocompost. Next, in the Journal Agriculture, Chemistry and Environment, published in 2022, written by Hamidatou Esther Remini, the research study about how biocompost act as a soil supplement to improve growth and yield of tomato. The study showed that the application of biofertilizer made from food waste only, cow dung only, and mixture of both of these material improved plant growth, number of leaves, plant height, and fruit yield.
In this project, we grew red spinach plants using biocompost made from several components including water, humus, biocompost, and food waste such as spoiled vegetables and spoiled milk. During the waste compost preparation stage, dried leaf and used cardboard were added to absorb excess moisture and to support the decomposition process so that the waste did not become too wet. After the waste compost becomes stable and fully processed, it was then mixed with humus and biocompost before being applied to the plants. For this project, we prepared two pots with different composition. Pot A contained compost and humus in a ratio of 1 to 2, while pot B contained waste, compost, and humus in an equal ratio. Based on weekly observation, the spinach plants in pot A show much better growth with greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster development compared to pot B. This is likely because the higher humus content in pot A provide better soil structure and more stable supply of nutrients, while the waste material in pot B still required more time to release nutrients. So, both the preparation method and the composition of the compost played an important role in the growth of the spinach plants.
Okay, so this graph shows the plant growth progress over 4 weeks using 2 different soil treatments. On the x-axis, we have the weeks from week 1 to week 4, and on the y-axis, we have plant height measures in centimeters. The green line represents plant growth with compost to humus in a 1:2 ratio, while the blue line shows plant growth with a waste, compost, humus, and in a 1:1:1 ratio. Starting from week 1, we can already see a difference. The plant growth with compost and humus is about 5 centimeters, whereas the waste compost humus plant is only around 2 centimeters. Moving to week 2, the compost humus plant shows steady growth, increasing to about 8 cm. However, the other treatments grows much slower, reaching only around 2.5 centimeters. By week 3, the difference becomes more obvious. The compost humus plant grows up to around 11 centimeters, while the waste compost humus plant is still below 4 cm. And finally, in week 4, the compost humus plant reaches the highest height at approximately 40 to 50 centimeters, and in contrast, the waste compost humus plant only grows to about 4 to 5 cm. Overall, based on this graph, plant growth with compost and humus shows faster and more consistent growth compared to the waste compost humus mixture. This suggests that the compost humus combination is more effective in supporting plant height growth over the 4-week period.
conclusion, based on the result obtained, the compost humus treatment shows more consistent plant head growth over the 4 weeks period. From a brief analysis, this treatment appeared to provide more stable soil condition and nutrient availability, which supported better plant growth within the duration of the study. Meanwhile, the waste compost treatment did not fully achieve the objective in the study experiment, possibly because the study period was not long enough for the compost to fully decompose and release nutrients. Therefore, the objective of the study was partially achieved, and a longer experimental period is recommended to further evaluate the effectiveness of the waste compost treatment.